Oh, it's you guys again. Okay, well, since you're here, I guess I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm about to go on a walk with my mom because I need to get some stuff. I'm reorganizing my bathroom. And it's really bright out, if you can't tell. I think I'll give you an outfit of the day because, I mean, you obviously don't have anything better to watch.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away.
Currently waiting for my mom. I Fitbit's done. My Fitbit didn't charge. I know, so I'm just gonna leave it. Good morning, guys. It is your favorite YouTuber. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's Sunday, July 11th, I think. My watch isn't on right now, so I'm not completely sure. But it is 8:02 and I'm about to get ready for church. So I'm gonna do, got a notification. I'm gonna do a little get ready with me, and today is going to be a really fun vlog because I have a lot to get done, and I also have 2 mini hauls to do, and I need to film another video. And I apologize for lack of videos last week. I will be doing better this week. I'm trying to upload like Sundays or Saturdays, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays. So 3 times a week. Fingers crossed that it works. That's my summer schedule because I have a lot of free time. And yet somehow in the summer, that's when I never upload. I need to wash my face because I literally woke up like 2 minutes ago. So I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth, and then I'll show you what outfit I'm wearing. I'm probably just gonna style my hair in like a low bun or something. That is a mess every single video, but here's the outfit. And I have these boots on. And for the accessories, I have the pink headband that matches the jacket, silver earrings. My second piercing is permanently in. Like, I mean, I could take it out if I want to, obviously, but I never do because I don't have another earring to put in that place. And this is the piercing earring, and I can't really put that back in. So, that's the fit for today. And now it's 9:09. I usually don't eat breakfast on Sundays, so today probably won't be any different, but we will be leaving soon. Oh. And the bag. This is the bag I'm carrying. It's navy blue, and I don't know if you can tell, but these dots, it may not like show up on camera, but they're actually navy blue, so it matches. This is like borderline school teacher, but like make it cute, okay? We disturbed him. We're back from church now, and I'm just sitting outside, as you can tell, on our patio. I ate some leftover pizza. That's pretty much it. The real feel right now is 100 degrees and the UV index is 1. Make it make sense. Haven't been to this spot in a minute. The iconic ootd. Oh, there's a little spider. Okay. Or maybe I have. I genuinely don't remember. Hey guys, so it is actually Tuesday now. I spent yesterday most of the day at my friend's house and then I went on a run, so there's not really much to vlog anyways, but I'm supposed to be uploading this video today, so, and I checked the time and it was 2:55 and I was like, oh, this is supposed to be going up at 3, so if you're watching this, sorry that it's later than usual. I'm going to try to upload each video at 3 p.m. EST, but I wanted to do the haul that I had been talking about before I ended the video. So first I'm going to show you the things I got for my bathroom to organize, and then skincare. The first thing I got is this little bin, and it has like pink trim around the end, and it has handles, and I think this one's the one I'm going to put my skincare in. And both of these I got at Five Below, and the next one I'm going to show you after this one's from Five Below, the next one is from Home Goods. Then I got this basket. I'm going to put like my hair things, conditioner, tools like flat irons and stuff, and it's kind of like a tan color and it's wire. This one was $5 and this one I'm pretty sure was $4. And then from Home Goods, I don't know if you can tell, but it's marble, and this is just like to put my toothbrush and toothpaste in. This one was $5.99 and it's really cute, really good quality, I guess you could say. And now for the products I got. So I got 4 things. This one is just the same moisturizer I've been using for my skin. It's the Neutrogena oil-free acne moisturizer, pink grapefruit. That's what it looks like. It is salicylic acid, and I was starting to run low, so my mom paid for these, but I picked out this because I was running out. And then I got 3 new things because I saw that I heard good things about them. One, I got Mighty Patch. I'm pretty sure everyone knows about that, and I tried it and it actually works well. This is the duo pack, so there's 6 original and then 6 invisible for daytime. The next thing I got is this face mask, which can also be used as a cleanser. It's a clear pore cleanser / mask from Neutrogena. This one has the benzoyl peroxide. Fun fact, if you're gonna buy this, make sure you don't use like a cloth you like, because I used a washcloth and then the next day I woke up and it was bleached. So now it's like kind of a tie-dye situation, but it comes out really fast too. That's just what it looks like. It's a white face mask. You can use it as a cleanser. I really like it. It made my eyes burn just a little bit, but that only lasted like a few minutes, not even a few minutes. And then I got the La Roche-Posay Effacular Gel Cleanser, and this also has salicylic acid, and it says new formula, so I'm not sure what that means, but I'm excited to try it. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, and I will give you guys updates after I've tried them about how they work, especially this one. That's everything I got, so I really need to I need to start editing and get this video up, so I'm going to end this here. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss a single upload. I'm trying to upload every Saturday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 3 p.m. EST, like I said. So don't miss any of those. And I'm also going to start posting on Instagram. So at jasmynjagwe if you want to follow that. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
There